jetAVIVA is pleased to present Citation Excel serial number 5101. This Excel features the Honeywell 3-screen integrated avionics and upgrades like TAWS-A terrain alerting, dual UNS-1 FMS units with GPS, and TCAS-2 with Change 7. The 8-place leather-appointed cabin is in excellent condition, featuring a rear fully enclosed lavatory and additionally features Wi-Fi in-flight internet connectivity. Please visit the jetAVIVA website for full details on Excel serial number 5101. Thank you for joining us on this tour. Welcome aboard.